Hi, my name is Safa Mogharebi. I'm an SIE from Germany, and today we want to talk about some RPC Connect features. This video will only touch on a portion of the new features available in the new RPC Connect product. To fully leverage the power of this new platform, we highly recommend that you engage with MTS training. To do this, just simply go to the MTS website, click on Services, click on Training courses. Scroll down, here you see all the training stuff we have, like classroom and on-site training. And down below, you will find for the beginners, for the RPC Connect beginners, the basic software operation course. Then for our Switch users, the people coming from the old RPC Pro product. And here on the right, you see the RPC Connect Advanced Software Operation course. Okay, today we are going to talk about the multiple files execution, which will be found here under the Simulate tab, and then multiple files execution. So the main idea behind the multiple file execution is that we have several tools implemented into RPC Connect where it is necessary to fill in multiple time histories, and out of these multiple time histories perform an action. So I would call it a small batch process. But in this case, for example, we are going to concentrate on the channel extract tool. The channel extract tool offers this flexibility of getting multiple input time histories and getting one final time history file out of this tool. So how this is done? Let's get an overview over the channel extract tool. We can divide the channel extract tool, which is shown here, into three sections. The first section defines our input and output time histories. The second part here defines our channels, our input channels we want to use out of these selections from the time histories we made. And on the right side is the channels we extracted or the channels we are interested in. So this is a brief overview. When we hop into the software in a second, that you get orientated yourself. So the main idea is in our old products like RPC Pro, which is shown here as an example, we had one time history file. We went into the channel extract tool, extracted the channels we were interested in, did the same process with a second time history file, did the channel extract, and then we opened another tool, merge and append in this case, and then created our final time history file out of the channel extracted single time histories. In RPC Connect now, it is possible to use multiple time histories, do the channel extract, and then get right away the final time history file. Okay, let's get a hands-on example, and let's see how we can do this in the RPC Connect software. So currently we are on the Simulate stage, and I'm going to open the channel extract tool, which we discussed a second ago. So you see again the same surface, our inputs, our channels, and our channels to extract here. So in the first upper part here, I already selected a file which is called Target Computed Response TGT. Then with the help of this little plus button here, I can click Add and then navigate through the stages I want to get any other file. So let's, for example, take the Excel file here and then say, that one is what we want. The next one can be out of the analyze stage, for example. Let's go ahead and search for a file. Let's take the batch file here and then say, okay, add and close. There you go. Now you see that there are three different time history files implemented into the channel extract tool, and they all got an alias. Alias A is for the first time history, alias B for the second one, and so forth. And down below you will see the three time history files collapsed here in a collapsed stage. So if I uncollapse them, you will see the channels which are included or implemented. And then out of these channels, I can, for example, take out of target 1 or time history file 1, I can take the first channels here. Let's take time history B or the second time history, the acceleration channels out of it here. And then as the last one, we just, let's say, take the last two channels here. So you can realize that the alias here, you will see which channels belong to which file here. The alias is representing that, as I pointed out before. And then you get your final time history file while executing the tool. So let's give it a name. Let's call it RPC Connect Final TGT. And if I click on Run and Close, I will get a new file, a new time history file in my folder here. So let's search for that one. Called it RPC Connect. There you go, RPC Connect Final. That one contains of 8 channels. The time length does not matter. RPC will take care of this if you have time history files with different time lengths. And then if we go to the properties, we will directly see the first channels are the displacement channels, then these are the acceleration channels, and 7 and 8 are the 2 times left front channels, or the addition of the front channels I selected out of time history number 3. Okay, this is basically what I wanted to show you. Please keep in mind that this option is available in several other tools, like the channel transformation tool, for instance. This is all I wanted to show you today. So thanks for your attention and see you next time.